Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today I came to the one of my friend's village, Vasalamarri. Today I am making the one of the craziest recipe, sorrel jam. With the help of this sorrel buds, I am making the sorrel jam. Let's plug the flowers and soak it in this sugar syrup. Welcome to our kitchen. Let's remove the flower petals. And this green one, keep it in the dustbin. It's not used. And remove like this. Only collect the rose petals. For sorrel jam making, let's check the ingredients what I am adding. Sorrel petals 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, 1:1. For preservative, add cloves and bay leaves. This is the recipe for sorrel jam. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. After removing the petals, wash it nicely. Remove the dust. And strain it. Take the mixing bowl. Then add sorrel petals. And sugar 1:1. Let's soak it for minimum 10 to 15 minutes, or you can use directly also on cooking. Mix it like this and soak it for 10 minutes. After soaking the sorrel petals, add into this. Add little bit of water. Then switch on the flame. On low flame, cook it the jam nicely. It will releases the sugar liquidly. See, it will releases the color and sourness. Slowly it's changing into the pink color. without any food color. It's a natural color to use and healthy too. Controls the bad cholesterol and increases the good cholesterol. You can see how it is cooked. It releases the very liquidly, and cook it for a few minutes until it crushes nicely. Without any water, you can see the very liquidly, that's why. Next, add the cloves and bay leaf for preservating. Cook it for 2 minutes, then make a fine paste. Take the jar and make the fine paste. Remove the bay leaf and pour into the jar. Cool it, then grind it. Drop the paste and cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. You can see the color. Switch off the flame. Finally, the sorrel jam is finished. And let's check it. You can see the texture. It's a very thick consistency. Make it like this for 6 months stock preservative. I am getting in sweet, salt and sour taste. This is a nice recipe for soury taste people. Let's make the recipe if you like. Thanks for watching.